There's nothing I like less than vacuum maintenance. Seriously, the vacuum is the maintenance. It shouldn't be the other way around, but maintain your vacuum, keeping it clean and whatnot is super important. So I have my Shark Lift Away vacuum and I am in love with this vacuum, seriously, but the maintenance is super easy. So I'll show you how to do it. So you can see it's dirty because I'm using it all the time. So you simply pull the clips off and it lifts right off. Press the button and empty. So now we have a clean, empty canister. It's time to clean out the filters. There are two filters, this one and the front one. Okay, so let's start with this one. You simply pull it out and just rinse. Super easy. The dirt comes right out. Kind of squeeze it, get that dirt out. Took me about 30 seconds of squeezing and rinsing and it's all clean. So to clean the front filter, simply pull it out. This is the part that needs cleaning. Another quick rinse job. So now they are both clean. I'm just going to let them dry for 24 hours. I put my filters back in and my vacuum is good to go. Look at how well it vacuums up the mess on my floor. Just awesome, super smooth, very easy to use. Gets every inch of my carpet with minimal effort. Great for the corners. This little design is wonderful for getting in and out of corners. Absolutely wonderful, very efficient. And this little tool is for furniture. It's great for getting all of the dust off of my couches and my chairs. Super easy, very smooth. Gets all of that dust up. This little piece is for hard to reach areas like corners between the carpet and wall. This vacuum is amazing. Get it on Amazon. You will love it.